Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. This is a 2020 BMW M4 Cabriolet. This casting is by Matchbox, part of their moving parts line, and it does come with opening doors. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the M4 out of its packaging or box. First thing you'll notice, it's purple, which you rarely see on BMW, but you do see that on BMWs. It's a cabriolet, so it's a convertible. You do get opening doors on this one, so both the driver and passenger doors open up. See, that's the part of the moving part. Now let's move to the front. So in the front you've got some high detail. You've got detailed painted headlamp, BMW grille, BMW badge, a lower grille which is again painted, and a lower splitter, and all looks really nice. Looks really good. The hood, you can see the slight bulge there, center, suggesting it's a performance variant. You do also get both the mirrors and windshield wipers, which is again good to have. Now let's go to the driver side. So on the driver side, these wheels we have seen on so many different Matchbox throughout the year, but I think something gray or black would have looked better, but it doesn't look bad. It's classic 5-spoke design, looks good. You do get this grille because it's an M4, so it's slightly wider. So you have this grille or vent on the side. It's the M4, so it's two-door. I'll show you the opening door. Windshield is slightly tinted. Forgot to mention that. Now let's move to the back. The back, again, good details. You got nicely detailed and painted tail lamp. You got the M badge, BMW badge, and a number plate which reads purple M4. You also got stop lamps on the bottom and a quad exhaust. Good details in the back too. And there's a stop lamp here on the trunk too. Moving to the passenger side, looks almost identical. Don't see any difference. The door on the passenger side also opens up. Interior is finished in white. I don't know. I haven't seen one with white interior. Maybe beige. I've seen one. But some details in the interior too. You can see both seats in the back, steering wheel, and which looks like a infotainment system in there. And the doors also have some details. You can see the door pockets there. So yeah, good details overall. And this is how it looks from the bottom. So should you get one? If you just talk about details, it has got some really nice details. It looks really good. The color, I'm totally gonna leave up to you. If you like it, you can go for it. But if you talk about details, it looks really nice, and I think you should go for it. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.